Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. Today guys, I want to show you all the little bits and pieces that I purchased oops, to make a Valentine's Day gift for a friend of mine. I think she just needs a bit of a cheer me up around Valentine's Day. So I decided to pick up a few little things and make her a little gift. So I'm going to show you guys what I got, which I think is super, super nice. So we're going to get started. I'm going to leave the funnest thing that I think I bought to the end. So I'm going to start. So I purchased this lots of hearts, little heart wine champagne glass. I am also going to get her a little mini bottle of Prosecco. This little glass, which I think is adorable. Does it come? Oh, it looked like it came apart. It doesn't. This little glass is super, super adorable and it only cost 49p. So I think that's awesome. The next thing that I purchased was a number of little face masks. These face masks were a fantastic price. They were £3 for £1, which I think is pretty darn awesome. They're suitable for all skin types. They are by Cubella. They're Bath and Beauty, 100% vegan, which I love. They're superfoods, Aki, I think you call it, and blueberry gel mask. It says that the mask has superfoods, Aki berry oil, blueberry raspberry seed oil, and whatever this one is. It says keep me in the fridge for an extra cooling treat. So I purchased 3 to put in my little gift set. I purchased some snacks because what is Valentine's Day without some chocolate? So I got a couple of these skinny packs. They're 92% less sugar. They're chocoholic snack pot. They are orange flavor and coca. I purchased these because I think they are super nice. You get little biscuits and some chocolate orange, and these were £3 for £1. Unfortunately, there are only 2 going in because I ate one. I had to taste it. I can guarantee you they are delicious. I also bought a packet of luxury truffles. These were only £1, which I think is really awesome. Her favorite chocolate is white chocolate, and they've got a smooth, creamy consistency inside. I think these are awesome because you get 100 grams, which is amazing. So this is a white chocolate ball with vanilla flavored filling. There's not really many allergens in it, so that's also pretty awesome. So we got a packet of luxury truffles for £1. I thought this was really cute and adorable. This is a little chalk heart blackboard. Let's chalk about love. I love that it looks like a little easel. It comes with a piece of chalk. I am going to put a nice little inspirational message on it for her, and I'm going to pop that inside her little gift. It won't stay up, but that's totally fine. I then bought a number of, she has an oil burner, which I love, and she has it going pretty much every time I call. Her house always smells delightful. So I purchased 2 packs of wax melts. The first wax melts are the Sizzles Love Hearts. They're 12 shaped heart wax scented wax melts. I think that's pretty awesome. I love that they're each and every individual one is shaped like a heart. You also get additional bits of the wax melt around, so you could maybe extend it to 13. But I just thought these were super cute. I have bought these before on my channel. I have used them before, and they smell just like Swizzles Love Hearts. So they're pretty awesome. I bought these little ones. These were £1, as were the Love Heart wax melts. This is a pack of 6, but again, you get all the excess around the little hearts, so you could probably get 7. I do believe I bought these as well a long time ago. I can't even remember the scent, but look how cute. These ones are more floral. So we have sweet and floral, which I think are really, really adorable. Because I'm just going to pop you down a little bit so you can kind of see more of what's going on here. The next thing that I purchased is this absolutely adorable crackled glass heart. I just think it will make a really, really nice decoration. She does have a lot of, you know, a lot of that furniture that is glass and crystal. So I think this will be super cute. I don't know whether I'm going to keep this inside the packaging because it's a little bit bulky on both sides, or whether I'll take it out and put and do something, you know, different with it. Maybe let it become part of the actual gift. I don't really know if I'm going to put this in a basket yet or in a bag, but I think I probably will buy a basket and put it all together as a nice little treat. But I just thought that would be super cute, and it could be a decoration she could keep out. So that's another little fun item. The next item I purchased was these colorful hand cream collection. I love the container. Love, love, love. You can reuse it again. All you need to do is take the sticker off the bottom, which I think is amazing. This little item I got in Home Bargains. Guys, most of these other items I purchased in Poundland, apart from the skinny chocolate, that was also Home Bargains. Everything else on the table so far is Poundland. This again is from Home Bargains. I just thought I see her using a lot of hand cream, so I bought these colourful set of 3, and I like the fact that reusable container. You have Berry Blast, you have Marshmallow Dream, and you have Peach Perfect scented hand creams. Each hand cream is 30 ml. I think this is pretty good because it was only $1.99, and you know that you guys can buy a hand cream this size for £1, and you get the little reusable container. I then purchased her this really cute Jessica Wright Beauty. This little pack I think was down to £2, which I think is really I don't think it's a bad price. Inside her accessory gift set, I love the packaging. I think the packaging is super, super pretty. But inside the pack you get, the set contains 2 rose gold hair clips, 2 satin scrunchies, and a rose gold hairbrush. So everything inside is rose gold. I am actually going to go back and I'm going to get another one of these little Jessica Wright accessory gift sets, because I think it would be perfect for an up and coming giveaway that I'm thinking about. So I thought this was super cute. I thought this would make the little gift look a little bit better. And then the little last item that I bought, maybe just try and fix it. The little last item I bought may seem a little strange for a Valentine's Day gift. Sorry, I'm just really trying to get the picture to fall into the correct space for me so that you guys can actually see it. I've done it. That is awesome. It might sound a little strange, but I just think it was really, really good. It was cute. And it doesn't have to be for a partner. It could be for a friend, I think. But I purchased this absolutely adorable Our Love record book. And it says, share your warmest, fondest memories in this beautiful record book and create an exciting keepsake of how you met and fell in love and how love blossoms on your journey through life together. It is a 72-page record book. It has a cutout PVC window on the front for a photograph, and it has a large multi-purpose pocket in the back, and it closes by the ribbon. This is super duper cute. This is place your treasured loved one's photo here. And I mean, this book doesn't just have to be for a partner. It can be for a child. It can be for a friend. I just thought she'll really love this. She really loves journaling, and I just think this will be something that she can use and well, she can use and she'll love. So it has a little ribbon closure, which I think is so. Let me just move a few things around. So stinking cute. And you just simply pop the ribbon to open. Let's open. And when you open the first page, it's like this. This is just the little front cover. You can take that off, and your little loved one's photo goes right in here, so you can keep it nice and safe. And it's the first thing you'll see inside the book. But I haven't even really looked inside this book. It says Our Love, frame your photo here. It tells you the contents. It has some little sayings. It gives you how we met on the day, at the time. Good luck anyone trying to remember that. But you can put, so it's both interactive because you can first impressions of you, first impressions of me, and then you can put your little photographs here on the side. So this is a 72-page book, almost like a photo book and memory book that you get to put, you know, the journey of you and the other person in. And I think that's really, really super, super sweet. I love it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. The best thing about it is, and I know you guys can go online and do books like this and they print them, but these are all handwritten and you get to attach the real photograph. So I think that's awesome to show a journey, and I know that she'll really love this. I also wanted to show you the back where you can put additional, it is a, I don't know if I can show you guys. It is a place where you can put additional photos as you're working your way through the journal, the record book. Guys, I just thought that was super adorable. Really, really, really cute. I know my friend will love it. And my friend, I think sometimes just needs a little bit of a pick-me-up and something a little bit special just for her. I like to make her feel special, and I know that she'll really enjoy it. So guys, in the entirety of this little haul, my favorite thing is definitely this record book. I think it is super, super duper cute. I definitely think I might go and get another one of these and put it into a giveaway. I just think it is absolutely adorable. And I know I love it, and I know she'll love it. And if I'm able to get another one, I might actually put it in a giveaway. Let me know if you guys think this is a good idea for a giveaway. I think it is. I hope you guys think it is too. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Honestly, you guys are totally awesome. I couldn't do this without you. I hope you have had a blast watching the video. Leave any comments in the comment section below. I do love responding to all your messages when you guys are so super sweet and send them to me. If you guys are not yet a subscriber, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video. Every time you like the video and share the video with your friends, it really does help out my channel, and I am always super appreciative. If you guys want to be notified of any of my videos, don't forget the notification bell. And saying all that, I'm going to say bye, guys. I really hope you all stay safe. I really hope you look out for each other, and I'm going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye. Bye-bye.